Just this year, the Central Coast saw a number of mass casualty events like the Borderline bar shooting in Thousand Oaks and the Montecito mudslides. Well, now SLO County is taking steps to help the victims of future tragedies. KSBY's Megan Healy spoke to the district attorney's office about the new county position it hopes will bring some relief.
The SLO County Board of Supervisors approved the application for a state grant. That grant will pay for a mass victimization advocate. This person will help bring relief to those involved in mass casualty incidents or acts of terrorism.
It's not if it's going to happen in your county, it's when it's going to happen in your county.
Diana McPartland runs the Victim Witness Program for SLO County. She says the new employee will have to train in a number of fields.
Vicarious trauma and then grief and recovery training.
The advocate would go to criminal events like shootings or natural disasters like mudslides. The county helped at least 22 victims who were affected by the Las Vegas shooting in 2017. Supervisor Bruce Gibson said this position will help the county plan a response in such events.
It's sad to think that we have to extend it to consider the effects of a mass shooting, but we've seen uncomfortably close to home in Ventura County that these things happen.
Now the California Office of Emergency Services is offering money to each county to provide additional resources when lives are lost.
Instead of being behind the ball, we'll be up in front of it.
SLO, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Kern counties will all partner together to respond to incidents that happen within the coastal region. The advocate will also be responsible for taking a go bag packed with water, tissues, air masks, and other care items.
Victims are looking for that emotional support as you go through the court process because it can be a very stressful situation for them.
They will wear an armband so people can easily identify them. The state is offering $100,000 to cover the advocate's salary and training for at least a year. Any other expenses will likely come out of the Witness Department fund. About 40 people applied to the position, and the county hopes to hire someone before the first session of trainings in January of next year. In studio, Megan Healy, KSBY News.
The new hire will also get training in FBI notification, FEMA, and RISE.